Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox a laptop. This is ASUS Vivobook model X515. This is a budget laptop and the list price is $450 in the US. Let's check what the inside looks like. Let's open the box. First, let's check accessories. Empty? What the hell is going on here? There's a power adapter here. Let's check it. Here is the power adapter. Very portable. I like it, and that's the only accessory. Now let's check the laptop. We need to remove the cardboard first. Let's take out the laptop. As you can see, there are only a couple items inside the box. ASUS tries to make packaging as simple as possible. Alright, here is ASUS Vivobook X515. The color is slate gray. The casing is made by plastic. Now let's look around the laptop. Start with the left hand side. There are USB 3.0 Type-C port, HDMI port, and the USB 3.0 Type-A port. The right hand side, there are a couple of USB 2.0 Type-A ports and a headphone microphone combo jack. The laptop weighs 3.97 pounds and the height is 0.78 inches. This is a very portable laptop. On top of the monitor, there is a facing camera. Built-in microphone is next to it. The monitor is 15.6 inches LED. No, it's not touchscreen. I think touchscreen is one of the most useless features for a laptop. The laptop comes with a full checkerboard keyboard. There's no backlight for this model. Now let's check some specs. Vivobook X515 comes with an Intel 10th generation Core i3. Model number is i3-1005G1. This is a dual-core CPU. It also comes with 256GB SSD and 8GB DDR4 memory. According to ASUS, battery life is around 6 hours of light to medium use. I was trying to find where the speaker is. It turns out they are in the bottom. While using this laptop, Microsoft will upgrade the operating system to Windows 11. You cannot cancel it. Therefore, this laptop comes with Windows 11 Home in S mode. I immediately switched out of S mode. As an experienced user, S mode is totally pointless. Overall, I think ASUS Vivobook X515 is a nice looking budget laptop. If you are a light user who needs a laptop to watch video, browse internet, use Office, or basic gaming, this is definitely the laptop for you. Price-wise, I only paid $300. This is a very reasonable price. That's it for this unboxing. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.